Hey there, beach lovers and luxury seekers. Today, we're diving into the crystal clear waters of the Riviera Maya to explore a true gem of the Mexican Caribbean, Barceló Karmina. This stunning 5-star resort is making waves with its blend of modern comfort and natural beauty. So let's grab our virtual snorkels and take a closer look. First up, let's talk about where you'll be resting your sun-kissed head at night. Barceló Karmina offers a range of room options to suit every traveler's needs. Starting with the superior rooms, you're looking at a spacious 40 square meters of pure comfort. These rooms come with either a king-size bed for those romantic getaways or 2 double beds if you're traveling with friends or family. Each room is decked out with all the modern amenities you'd expect from a luxury resort. Air conditioning to keep you cool in that tropical heat, free Wi-Fi to keep you connected, or to make your friends back home jealous with your beach pics, and a flat-screen TV with satellite channels for when you need a break from all that sunshine. But wait, there's more. The minibar is restocked daily with both soft drinks and adult beverages, so you can keep the party going right in your room. Coffee lovers, rejoice! There's a coffee maker to get your morning buzz on. And for those of you who like to keep your valuables safe while you're out exploring, there's a handy safe box. Now, let's talk about the views. You've got options here. Garden views for those who love a bit of lush greenery, or partial ocean views if you want to wake up to that Caribbean blue. And the best part? Every room comes with its own balcony or terrace, perfect for sipping your morning coffee or evening cocktail while soaking in the tropical vibes. If you're looking to splurge a little, hey, you're on vacation, right? The junior suites are calling your name. These bad boys are even more spacious at 50 square meters and come with a cozy sitting area. Imagine lounging on your private balcony, gazing out at the ocean, and feeling like royalty. And speaking of royalty, if you've got a bigger group or just want to live it up, the family suites are where it's at. These 70 square meter beauties are perfect for families or groups of friends, with plenty of space to spread out and relax. Now let's talk grub. Because let's face it, half the fun of vacation is the food, right? Barceló Karmina doesn't disappoint in this department. Their main buffet restaurant, La Palapa, is a food lover's paradise. Picture this. You're strolling through the restaurant, plate in hand, trying to decide between fresh ceviche, sizzling grilled meats, or maybe some authentic Mexican dishes. And the best part? It's all included. La Palapa is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, so you can stuff your face. Enjoy a culinary experience all day long. But maybe you're in the mood for something a little fancier. Enter El Mirador, the resort's specialty restaurant. This place is the creme de la creme of dining experiences at Barceló Karmina. Overlooking the beach, romantic sunset dinners, El Mirador serves up Mediterranean-inspired dishes with a local twist. We're talking grilled octopus that'll make your taste buds dance, lamb chops that'll have you dreaming of them for weeks, and desserts so artisanal they should be in a museum. Just remember to make a reservation. This place is popular, and with only 60 seats, it fills up fast. And let's not forget about the Sunset Lounge, the beach bar that's perfect for those lazy afternoons or evenings when you just can't be bothered to leave the sand. Sip on their signature margaritas, trust me, they're good, and munch on some fish tacos while watching the sun dip below the horizon. It's the kind of place where you can easily lose track of time. And isn't that what vacation is all about? Now let's dive into the pools and beaches because, let's face it, that's probably why you're here in the first place. Barceló Karmina boasts not one, but 2 main outdoor pools. There's a large family-friendly pool where the kids, and let's be honest, the adults too, can splash around and have a blast. But the real showstopper is the adults-only infinity pool that seems to melt right into the ocean. It's the perfect spot for those Instagram-worthy shots that'll make everyone back home green with envy. And let's not forget about the swim-up bar in the family pool area. Because nothing says vacation quite like ordering a piña colada without ever leaving the water. Am I right? The pools are open from sunrise to sunset, so you can soak up those rays all day long. And if you're feeling a bit peckish or thirsty while you're lounging poolside, no worries. The attentive waitstaff will be more than happy to bring you drinks and snacks throughout the day. But wait, we haven't even talked about the beach yet. Barceló Karmina is blessed with a stunning stretch of white sandy beach that goes on for about 300 meters. It's a kind of beach you see in travel magazines and think, no way that's real. But trust me, it is. The resort provides loungers and umbrellas, so you can set up camp and spend the whole day just soaking in the beauty of the Caribbean. And for those of you who like a bit more action, there's plenty to keep you entertained. You can try your hand at paddleboarding, kayaking, or snorkeling. All the equipment is provided by the resort. And don't worry about getting hungry or thirsty. The beach waitstaff will be making their rounds, ready to take your order. Oh, and for the peace of mind of all you parents out there are lifeguards on duty during daylight hours. Now let's talk about activities, because Barceló Karmina is not just about lounging by the pool, although that's definitely an option if that's your thing. For those of you who like to stay active even on vacation, the resort has got you covered. Their fitness center is equipped with all the latest cardio machines, treadmills, ellipticals, and bikes. There's also a good selection of free weights and resistance machines if you want to pump some iron. And for those of you who prefer a more zen approach to fitness, there are yoga mats available. And you can even request a yoga class if you're feeling extra bendy. But the real star of the show when it comes to relaxation is the spa. Oh boy, the spa. The Barceló Karmina Spa is like a little slice of heaven right here on earth. They offer a wide range of treatments that'll have you feeling like a new person. We're talking deep tissue massages that'll work out all those knots you didn't even know you had, aromatherapy facials that'll leave your skin glowing, and body scrubs that'll make you feel as smooth as a baby's bottom. But the real showstopper is their signature Karmina ritual treatment. This bad boy combines traditional Mayan healing techniques with modern spa practices for an experience that's truly out of this world. And the spa facilities? Top-notch. We're talking sauna, steam room, hydrotherapy tubs, and relaxation lounges where you can just chill out and forget about all your worries. The spa is open daily from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., so you can get your relaxation on pretty much any time of day. Just a word of advice: book your treatments in advance, especially during peak season. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this experience. Now, if you're traveling with the little ones, you might be wondering, but what about the kids? Well, fear not, parents. Barceló Karmina has thought of everything. They've got a fantastic kids club that operates from morning until early evening. This place is like a paradise for kids, with supervised games, crafts, and even educational sessions. So while you're off getting that much-needed massage or sipping cocktails by the pool, you can rest easy knowing your kiddos are having the time of their lives. But the fun doesn't stop there. The resort also organizes family-friendly activities throughout the day. We're talking everything from beach volleyball tournaments to cooking classes where you can learn to make authentic Mexican dishes. And let's not forget about the evening entertainment. Barceló Karmina puts on quite a show with live music performances, DJ sets, and themed parties that'll have the whole family dancing the night away. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.